In this video, I'll show you how to change font on Telegram message. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Head over to your Telegram. This is our Telegram, and I'm gonna properly walk you through how you can change font on Telegram message. That is the size of each message you're gonna be sending here on Telegram, right? Click on this, go to the settings, go to the general settings. Go to the general settings, click on it. Right here you can see the message text size. Right, I can increase this. You can see if I reduce it, look at this, right? Look at this right here, look at this. If I increase it, take a look at this. So this is how the messages are gonna appear right now if I increase it. So I'm gonna keep it at, I think 16 is okay, right? So this is how you can change fonts on Telegram message. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.